Hello, lovelies, and welcome to my channel. I'm Truly Tara, and I do unboxings and reviews and all that jazz. Have something new today. I was going to wait, but I'm excited. I wanted to get it out and show you guys. So it is called the Feeling Fab Premium Plus Box. So it's called Feeling Fab. Sure, there's different levels. Um, yeah, sorry. I got excited, wanted to get this out. So make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Comment, subscribe. That way you get to 100, do a giveaway, and let's unbox this. Okay, so let's see. All right, so first thing is Denon Gourmet Popcorn. Yeah, sweet vanilla popcorn, sweet singles. Okay. And I got a card. I love to get a card. Okay, set the mood. Okay, I like that. Prepare your favorite cozy space, dim the lights, and play soothing music to create a serene atmosphere. So it does this whole thing. Prioritize your day, masking, sit. Okay, all right, I get it. So maybe that's just your snack for to start out with. Um, well, so yeah, I was thinking that it had the, yeah, actually that was step 5. Treat your taste buds to a delightful snack of vanilla popcorn. Okay, so I'm going kind of backward. I was thinking this had the prices on it. It doesn't, but this this one does. Okay. So, all right. The popcorn is 250. I don't know. It's got a 2.5. Yeah, 250. That's interesting. Okay. So next we have Bella Bear or Bella and Bear. Let's see. Oh, I don't see it on the, I don't see it listed. Interesting. Well, maybe I just got like a free gift or something. But it is Pineapple Punch whipped bath soap. Oh my gosh. Wow, it's all, I think that's plastic, but okay, so it has a safety seal, which is good. And it had like a little thing around it, like, oh my goodness. Wow, I was just going to hand it right to you. Okay, so there, I don't know if you can see, but oh my goodness. I don't even, oh wow. So yeah, like it's very, oh man, that's nice. I don't see, yeah, that's gonna be nice. Oh, I can't wait to get into that. Oh, I can't. It says pineapple, but I don't know. I'm getting a couple different scents. But this box is like, oh, you'll see. Okay. So next we have citrus pedicure 50 or 30 mils. Okay. Here. Why is okay, there it is. Citrus pedicure soap feeling. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know how to, the way that it reads, it's just odd. Okay, so yeah, citrus pedicure soap. Where did it go? I had it right there. Okay. So this is 950. I don't know because it says citrus pedicure soap, comma, filling fab box. None of the others say that, so I wonder if that's like one of their things. I don't know. So we'll have to find that out. Okay, so next we have Kushi Naturals hair mask, and I don't know if you can see, but wow, the color is just amazing. The smell is, it's very, very thick. Okay, let me just show you. See that? I don't know if you can really see, like, Um, yeah. And there's so many things that smell that has strong scents in this box. I just can't nail everything down exactly. Okay, so that is melon and it is 22 bucks. So nice. All right, next we have Bella Pierre, which makes me super happy because Bella Pierre would come in the other box, the Perfect 365 that they're not doing anymore, which breaks my heart. So, but yay. So this is Diamonds Hand and Body Lotion. Um, Precious Diamonds Hand and Body Lotion, 25 bucks. I kind of want to open it, but y'all know what lotion looks like. But it's, I don't know. There's something calling me to open it. Might as well just go on and do it. That's what we're here for, right? Okay. Nice scent, like nothing crazy. Just nice. Okay. So yeah, it has a blend of essential oils, nourishing vitamins and minerals, and enriching plant extracts. Like um, I thought I seen lavender, but I guess I'm crazy. Okay, so next we have, what is this little thing? And it's not on the list either. Oh, there it is. No, Natural Deodorant Stick by Piper Y, and this is $9.50. I've been having a little bit of issues with my Truly. I had seen where some people said that they were having, like they were breaking out. I don't know if they've got like a new, I don't know if they have like a new formula or what. But I've never broke out over things like that before, and I don't know. I've got really raw. That's all. It's just a bunch of, I don't know. It's crazy. Okay, so that is not one of my favorite smells in the world. Just being honest. So it's okay. So it's activated charcoal deodorant. So this would probably, somebody would really probably love this. It's not my scent, but I mean, I'm sure you could cover that scent, especially like if, like the charcoal, I'm sure probably really works really, really well. Okay, so then we have a mask, a rose gold peel off mask by Masquerade, $5. And it feels, yeah, I was gonna say it feels like there's two of them in there. So yeah, rose gold, that's my favorite. Okay, so I think that we are down to last but not least, and it is a Filling Fab Elegant Metal Hair Claw made by Filling Fab. So yeah, some of this stuff they make, and then some of it is probably like small business owners. And oh wow, that is heavy. And I'm gonna tell you, all these little plastic ones that you get, like they last for about 5 seconds in my hair, and then they're gone. So we're getting ready to put this bad boy to the test. I mean, literally, like I'll put my hair up and it'll just fall back down. But this feels like it might actually work. And I love my hair up in these kind of things. Like it's been kind of a long day. My hair, yeah, like I really do enjoy my hair being up. And I was kind of scared at the weight of that, but dude, like that's, yeah, thumbs up for sure. I'm such a dork, sorry. Okay, so I don't see anything that says at the box. I think uh I got I was supposed to get something called Priority Pad to Avoid Mental Burnout by Filling Fab box. Um, I probably didn't get that, but they gave me the whipped body soap instead, and yay, I'm glad that they did. Not that I wouldn't have appreciated the other, but I mean, you know me, like I love the whipped stuff. Okay, so oh no, it says right here retail value of self-care ritual $94. Amazon and Mini Rituals 62. So I don't know what that means. I know I didn't pay $94 for this box, and I didn't pay 62. I paid like uh 30 something maybe, because it was my first box. I actually think it was only like it was right at all of my boxes are right at 30. There's only a few that I will pay over 30 for. So this one was right at 30. If I can remember to put it in I always try to remember to put the pricing and stuff in the description, and I always forget. But if you guys would comment and tell me if that's something that I should be doing, if it's something you're interested in, tell me, because I'm working off of what I see that you guys like, and by your comments. So make sure to like, subscribe, comment. That's going to be all for me. Next box is going to be, I think, Ipsy haul, and then I'm waiting on my Jeffree Star. So yeah, I'm excited about that. And that'll be it. I'm going to shut up now, and I will see y'all in the next. Bye.